It's been 7 hours and 15 days since you took your love away. I go out every night, I sleep all day since you took your love away. And since you've been gone, I can do whatever I want. I can see whomever I choose. I can eat my dinner in a fancy restaurant, but nothing can take away these blues. 'Cause nothing compares to you. It's been so lonely without you here, like a bird without a soul. And nothing can stop these lonely tears from falling. Tell me, baby, where did I go wrong? Nothing compares to you. All the flowers that you planted, mama, in the backyard, all died when you went away. I know that living with me, baby, was sometimes hard, but I'm willing to give it another try. Do you know why? 'Cause nothing compares to you. 'Cause nothing compares to you. 'Cause nothing compares to you. Little ruin, dressed and ready, dig your heels in, not so steady. Wine on the carpet, wait till you find it. I don't have the strength to hide it. I've been drinking again. I've been drinking again. Losing all my friends. Going traveling your sleep, then you're going nowhere. You're traveling, we're traveling your asleep, then you're going nowhere. 'Cause I've been drinking again. I've been losing all my friends. I've been drinking again. And oh, these faded colors of spring in the ache of victory. I'm your happy little seed. You're my tree. Watch you fall to watch you start again. While we're waiting for the rain, I can't keep from crying. I made the children sing. Well, I made up everything. I can't catch the light. Still I'll try every night. 'Cause I've been and I've been drinking again. I've been losing all my friends, drinking again. I've been losing all my.
That was good.
Thank you.
That was incredible. How much does it go after that?
Thank you.
Let's go.
I'll give you another pose just in case.
Yeah, same.
Bound. Yes.
Oh no, look at all the damage you have done. I'm no different at all from you. You're a full-speed freight train crashing through my walls. I'm a passenger, I'm stuck on you. Be the codeine, morphine flowing through my veins. Just can't get enough. Get lifted, rocket ship, you're my outer space. I'm a passenger, I think I'm feeling small. Lose myself until I disappear. Now I feel tall, knowing you're the reason that I'm fucked up, blackout, drunk at another party. Big shit, rock star, but I think you're boring. Now I'm gone, moved on, yeah, I'm never sorry. I'm never sorry. Don't miss you much, think I'm better off alone. Don't wanna find another you. Big words act tough, thank God I cut the cord. 'Cause I can't be tied to you. Feeling small. Lose yourself until you disappear. Now I feel tall, knowing I'm the reason that you're fucked up, blackout, drunk at another party. Big shit, rock star, but I think you're boring. Now I'm gone, moved on, yeah, I'm never sorry. I'm never sorry. Fucked up, blackout, drunk at another party. Big shit, rock star, but I think you're boring. Now I'm gone, moved on, yeah, I'm never sorry. I'm never sorry. like all the stars, till we see the same moon when you look up. I could rob you of your time, still can't break in your complicated mind. Oh my, oh my. Don't want you to fall in, don't want you to fall in love. Don't you carry on, even though we're worlds apart. Darling, I could play your favorite song, hollow out your room, stand by the fire where we slowly dance through our darkest nights. Don't want you to fall in, don't want you to fall in love with someone else, 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 with someone else. Yeah, I'm painting the skies red, so don't close your eyes, babe, 'cause even inside I could feel it pouring. Drown in my own bed, drown in the words said. A selfish mind, don't want you to fall in love.
Good luck.
Okay, done. This time you are done.
Oh, it's all a matter of time. I won't worry for you, you'll be just fine. Take my thoughts with you, and when you look behind, you will surely see a face that you recognize. You're not alone. I'll wait till the end of time. Open your mind. Surely it's plain to see you're not alone. I'll wait for the end of time for you. Open your mind. Surely it's time to be with me. It is the distance that makes life a little hard. Two minds that once was close, now so many miles apart. I will not falter though I hold on till you're home, safely back where you belong, and see how our love has grown. You're not alone. I'll wait till the end of time. Open your mind. Surely it's plain to see you're not alone. I'll wait for the end of time for you. Open your mind. Surely it's time to be with me. And babe, don't you worry, sure we'll be just fine. Take my thoughts when you go, when you look behind. 'Cause while we are waiting, open up your mind. Know that you are not alone till the end of time. Till the end of time.